It smells like goat. Oh. Hi guys, this is Miss Femi here and welcome back to my channel. So on this video I have a little home decor haul for you guys. I'm trying to make over my bathroom, not big thing, but just arrange things a little bit and do a little thing in my living room. So also the kitchen, that's gonna take me a little bit of time, but I'm doing it little by little. Okay, so I don't have time to do. Hopefully this weekend I can get the bathroom to be done. Yeah, so I have Ikea, I have Home Goods, then I have a little store by me. Yeah, so let's get into the video. As you can see, this is the Ikea bag. As you can see, this is the Ikea bag. I have a vase right here for the plant, but the plant is already in there. I'm not gonna show that. I have a lot of light because I'm trying to do hanging light. I'm not gonna show that. So let's start with this. This is a vase, and I got this plant. Oh, this plant is getting like brown. I don't think this plant like water. See this? Then I got this vegetable, and I put, this is very cute, and I got this aloe tree. Yeah, so this was, what was the name? Yeah, that's the name. And that's for the bathroom. Look how much I got it for. 70 cents. So I got two for the bathroom. So I'm gonna print out my own black and white picture to put in it. You guys will see. And I have this green throw. I get it for this couch because I'm gonna put some pop of color. These are cushion cases. I'm gonna change, instead of buying like, you know, pillows, so I just got some, and I need to get me some white ones, some like copper orange, so because I'm gonna do this wall black so it could pop. I got hangers because I just so I could do try and haul when I do it, so I can have hangers to hang my clothes. I have a lot of them, so I got these. Got this one. As you can see, I got this one. Papa jar. And that one. That's Cafe Bona. Let's put some plants that I have here. And I got this for the bathroom. These are the frat mirror. This is the frat mirror when you put it in the wall and you could just pull it. So I bought this for the bathroom because on top of my sink I don't have a mirror, so the mirror is like behind. So you brushing your teeth, you gotta go like that. You just washing your face. I just want to. And you guys, I got me some paintbrush. I don't know why, because I think I'm gonna spray paint the shelves that I got to put here. But hey, I'm a DIY freak, so I got me some lights to put in the bathroom. I got me this wall with the wallpaper because I couldn't find I forgot to buy it with the wallpaper, like the thing I should use. So I think I'm gonna use that. That's really, I got it from Ikea. Oh, and I got these like hand dry towel, like those towels in Ikea. They were like very affordable, $149. So I grabbed two. You know, you never know. A woman, you should always have extra things in your house. That's, oh, I was about to say, that's about it for Ikea. I got these from Ikea. Oh, yeah. So I'm gonna have this a section for my office. So I'm gonna put it over there. So since this is it, let's get to Home Good. So this is Home Good. I'm still buying things for the living room and the bathroom and the kitchen. So the bathroom I'm gonna get it done first, because your bathroom should always be done, okay? Because you don't know who's coming to your house to ask them to use the bathroom. Your bathroom and your living room should be the cleanest thing in your house. Like the bathroom is the first thing on your list. That should be clean and smells good and like very nice, because a bathroom tells a lot about a person. I got, because the bathroom gonna be white and black in this color, because I don't want it to be like, what color is this? This is like kind of green, but not green, but like teal green. I got this from a store by my house. They were like $9, $8.99. Very soft for the front of the tub. Oh, my back hurt. And oh, this is not from Home Good. This is from Bobby's. So this is a plastic for inside the shower. And this is some curtains for the bathroom. I wanted some curtains that's like very light and drippy, but I can't find anywhere. Drippy and like very light, not like, I want it to be see-through. My back hurt. What's going on? I think I'm going to have my best friend in town. My best friend is coming in town. I got this from Home Goods. The rest of the things gonna be from Home Goods. This is nice. I want to put this by the window, and this is the shower curtains. See, it's almost the same color as the rug. Oh, I forgot I have these. This basket from Home Goods. Oh, and I got this little garbage can. Yeah. Let me just these. They deep though. You see? Focus. Yeah, it's very soft. It's soft. It smells like goat. Not the meat goat, like live goat. Oh, it smells like goat. Oh, I gotta spray it before I use it. Yeah, but I like this. I think this is 16 by 20. Yeah, 16 by 20. That's about it. That was the little home decor that I wanted to show you guys. How many of you loves or like Ikea? I love Ikea, especially the as is section. You find great things, great pieces there, and I love Ikea. Or like the products are not really amazing quality, but if you can find good things there, like apartment things, if it's not your house, not something, that a place that you want to permanently live in, yes, Ikea is the best way just to start with decor, affordable. And although Ikea's furnitures are very time consuming to put together, but if you're someone like me who enjoy putting together, I enjoy putting together. Like, I love that. I love working with my hands. So yeah, so that's about it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. I really appreciate you. Let me just say thank you to those of you who have subscribed to my channel. Every one of you, every 37, and I recently had a new subscriber. Thank you. Okay, thank you and welcome. And let me know what you guys want me to like maybe do video. Just give me some ideas, okay? And please let me know, leave a comment, a heart, and let me know you stopped by. Just say hi. Okay, so have a great weekend. I love you guys. Enjoy. Have a joyful, a peaceful, a wonderful, and a blessed weekend. See you on the next video, which will be my bathroom makeover and slash tour.